Hello, it was not obvious for me that you can do average, small and large calculation on the fly with the filter function, and let us see how you can do it, and you will decide if you want to use it in practice. We have a bunch of numbers here, and let's see which of them are greater than average. So it is easy with the filter function. I create a filter and filter all that where this is greater than average, and I guess average is the function I need, and the same values here. So this are greater than average, and we also can make vice versa, less than average. But also we have special functions, large and small, for top and values. For instance, if it will be less than small of these, and how much of them I want to let them small for, so I will get bottom 3 items. But for instance, if you have the same, so it will be it may be more of them, for instance here, and 3. Now I see there are all small items are these, so I need to create less or equal and fix this with 3. So now you see less or equal will always give you some results, at least one result. So you see if they repeat, so it's not beautiful numbers. I will change them for something else, and let's make the vice versa operation, greater than and large 3. So now I have top 3 entries out of there, but the same as I said, if you repeat number 52 or 33 or 94, which is top, let's repeat the biggest one, and here, so you will have 4 and more. So they are not large 3, but the largest entries. And it may be even more useful than limiting the number of items 3, because if they repeat and you limit it with a query or some other function, then you will get not as precise result as here.